First I'll light the gas and everything. Just like this.
All right, it's gonna get a little bit loud in here for a little bit, all right?
All right. Well, when I witnessed blacksmithing for the first time, whatever this was, like 20 years ago or something now, it was like this whole other world was peeled open to me. And I'm like, I want to be in there and I want to be part of that. I just became obsessed. And I still, to this day, I think it's the best thing ever. Now I'm in a position to where I feel like I can share some of that knowledge. Running these workshops is part of being able to do that. I like making sculptures and big shit. If you've got time, I'll forge up a quick knife or something, yeah? All right. Sorry, you guys, just bear with me, right? In the winter, in those cold, it's the perfect thing to be doing, right? It's in here, forging, making something that is actually gonna be heirloom quality. You're gonna have these objects that you make with it forever, right? It does break up that real cold silence of that winter time, and people are willing to come down and we host and we can have all these fires going and still be really comfortable. Make the cold your friend. Also make the amount of dark over light, make that your friend. Learn how to be with it. Finding the niche little cafes that are off the beaten track, all the little farmers markets in little towns. You know, there's bakeries in the middle of nowhere, right? That have been going for decades. Finding those places is what makes it unique here. Yeah, you gotta come down for the right reasons, you know? Okay, that's all I got, you guys.